There's already more than 500,000 drones that have been registered in the US. There's nothing quite like a flying robot delivering a package into your hands within minutes of placing an order. That is a magical experience.
That magical experience isn't as far away as you might think. Flirty is the first company to get government approval to make deliveries by drone.
We'll be able to deliver to you within 10 minutes of you placing an order. We've designed and built our drones to carry up to 5.5 pounds for up to 10 miles. They're hexacopters powered by lithium polymer batteries, so they're electrically powered green aircraft.
Drone operators are out to prove that these devices can deliver a social good, and that's why so many pilot programs are focused on delivering medicine. Matternet is working with UPS to deliver blood samples to hospitals in North Carolina. Zipline is flying in medical supplies to remote locations in Rwanda. Swoop Aero is dispensing vaccines and other medication to tiny islands in the Pacific. All those drones exist today.
Drones are revolutionizing the military, emergency services, aerospace, and potentially even the taxi industry. The growth of these unmanned aerial craft presents new opportunities for the aerospace industry. Commercial drones are used in sectors like transport, agriculture, construction, or disaster relief. In the aviation industry, for example, planes can now be inspected for safety by using cameras mounted on drones. Controlling a drone of this type can be done in one of two ways. Most are remote controlled, but some can self-fly using onboard flight sensors and navigation systems like GPS to follow digital flight plans. Amazon is developing Prime Air for autonomous pilotless deliveries, while Project Wing is Alphabet's version of the technology. In 2019, DHL partnered with Chinese UAV maker EHang to create a customized route for deliveries, and Boeing also have their own flying taxi projects that would eventually dispense with an onboard pilot. Autonomous urban aircraft could become a $1.5 trillion industry by 2040. That includes everything from delivery drones, flying taxis, military unmanned aerial vehicles, and industrial worker drones. By one estimate, there will be more than 76,000 drones operating in the UK's skies by 2030. The majority will be deployed for defence, health and education in the public realm, and agriculture, mining and energy firms in the private sector.
And you don't get the diagnosis results on time. You don't get the necessary medicines on time. There is a threat of death. We thought of how we can improve delivery of health supplies, especially to those hard-to-reach island areas.
So that's where the parcel copter come into play. The parcel-copter can overcome a number of challenges, especially in the areas that are not easily reachable.
Parcel-copter always fly autonomously, and we see where drone it is, just in case we can make any decision at the right time. Their water technology give their drone to go vertically and then change the mode to transition mode.
They can land at a very small area where you don't have runways. The technology itself is innovative in the sense that it really addresses the challenges that we have in Tanzania.